Hi everyone, welcome to watching the new session of our podcast. This is Kevin Hu from Shanghai. And today we would like to build a sample bank application with Odata Proxy with SAP mobile platform or previously SUP. So here in SUP SCC, so first let's see what we want to consume today. So we have a no data service already developed. So here we can see from this sorry, Mr. Dollar. Okay, here. So I use the wrong URL. So here we have Odata service, a sample bank with a collection of sample bank list. So here let's see the service document. So here we have a collection. Copy paste it and see what we get. So here we have a return all the bank list. So here in SCC, let's build a new application. Let's create a new application ID. Let's say we have a meaningful name, display name here. So security, let's choose common users which we previously created. Check the config additional settings, and here in proxy section, let's choose copy and paste the URL with the collection. So click finish. Okay, so the application has been created. Next, let's create a application connection. So let's name it gateway demo or GW demo. Template, let's choose from the previously created application ID. Activation code 123. Okay. So here we finished the tasks here in the SCC. So let's close some necessary tabs here, and in SDN we have a sample application code which you can download from this URL. We have an Android application. It's a native project with Odata Proxy sample code. Let's choose to develop as we've already downloaded this code. Let's see where we put it here. So in library, we have copy and paste those libraries here from the Sybase folder. Let's see in Sybase, SUP, mobile SDK, Odata, Android libraries. So here's the library files you need to import into the project. So what we want to do next is configure the build path. Let's choose the library, and here we have added those jar files here. And for the order, let's check all the newly imported jar files. So here are some changes you need to do in sample code. Let's see where. So for example, the onboarding.java, this file is for the onboarding paths. You can see, figure out from its name. So here we have some very useful comments here. So here we can do the onboarding with those kind of code samples. And then we get the application endpoint, which is the Odata collection URL. And for the entries list view, it will retrieve all the bank lists from the collection. So here we have to reconfigure those, the attribute names here, as I've already done it. And yes, after. So let's check out the CRUD operations file. Here we can see there's also some sample code here. The application endpoint plus the collection name. Here we go. We got the Odata service connected by Odata Proxy. So here let's do some loops here to get the collection attribute values. Here we have only two necessary attributes to display, the value and the city, which is mapped here. As you can see, the value and the city. Let's comment those others out. So here, yes, let's do a quick test. Android emulator started. Let's see here. We have imported those server connections here. So for manual collection, GW demo 123 login user, which is the gateway user here. Let's first do onboard users. Click onboard. Says user onboard successfully. It means that SVP has already authenticated this user correctly. So next, let's click the retrieve data. Error, so let's go back and check. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, I know where it's wrong. So in the SCC, the application endpoints not include the collection names. Yes, that's perfect. Good. So let's do another registration here. Okay. This is good troubleshooting. Okay. Let's go back and check. Let's do another onboard try. Onboard successfully. And then let's retrieve data. Okay, here we got the data, the bank ID and bank CD. That's perfect list to consume the OData data sources from SUP. Thanks for watching. Bye.